Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Dashcam for Motorcycle Review 2025.
Number 4.
This dual motorcycle DVR 1080p dash cam features front and rear waterproof cameras for all-weather recording. With Wi-Fi smart connectivity, riders can easily view and manage footage via a smartphone. It supports loop recording, night vision, ensuring high-quality video capture for enhanced safety and security on the road.
Number 3.
The SE300 motorcycle DVR dash cam features dual front and rear cameras for comprehensive road recording. Made of durable zinc alloy, it supports automatic on-off function, loop recording, and high-definition video capture. Ideal for safety and security, it provides clear footage in all conditions, enhancing rider awareness and protection.
Number 2.
Product sell points. 24-hour parking monitor. Stay vigilant with 24-hour parking surveillance, ensuring your vehicle's safety even when parked. G-sensor and loop recording. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects collisions, while loop recording ensures continuous footage. 1080p HD video and 120 degrees wide angle. Capture every detail with 1080p HD clarity and a 120 degrees wide angle lens for comprehensive coverage.
Number 1.
GPS and mileage statistics. The speed stamp can be embedded into the video. You can also check the driving route, latitude, longitude, and more info on the Vantrue app or Vantrue GPS player on your PC. With the mileage statistics feature, you can also view the start and end time of the trip, average speed, max and mini speed, average elevation info, etc. This data can even be exported as a PDF file, providing additional evidence to protect you from false claims in the event of an accident.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.